For all of you going stir crazy, needing a project in the shop, we've got you covered for more useful ideas you can do at home. In this case, we need a bolt, a few nuts, and we're going to solder one or weld one onto the end. We've hollowed another out, and as you can see, it screws right in. Now we're going to feed through some of this wire cable. Wrap the end with a coil, we'll squeeze it to flatten it and make sure that it can't be pulled back through the opening at the end of that bolt. And now we can increase tension, nice and tense, quick check, and loosen it. A handy trick for suspension anywhere around the house. Another handy way to attach something in a few tricky spots, again using a bolt, and in this case we need to drill a few holes to attach this scrap metal. And you'll see why we cut it to that shape and want it to be able to spin through in just a second. Now on one end of it we'll attach a washer and a bolt. And if we needed to hang or suspend something or fit something through an opening and needed it to anchor, once this pops through, just watch the fan open up, and there you go. We can tighten the washer and the nut, and we've got a nice firm grip. Now here's a handy way to put together a hook. And not a conventional hook, but a way to hang or suspend something that's got a loop on it. We attached a loop of our own and a little bit of reinforcement to some scrap metal, nuts and bolts as always to attach it there, and there's the mechanism that's going to be our catch for this hook. A few more pieces of the frame to weld together, and then we can give you a demonstration of just what we mean. There you have it. We'll mount it now and a test with the bolt. Works like a dream. And now a neat trick with one of these bolt head caps. Weld it to a longer bolt. And we've made a little slit there to mark it. We're going to feed some of that cable through again. And again, we need to put a cap end on it to make sure it doesn't come through. And then if you get one of these wax anchors or plastic anchors in the wall and have an open-ended bolt go in, you can type this long one nicely to create another way to suspend anything around the house.